Hey guys, what if I told you that every WhatsApp message, YouTube video, Instagram reel, and Google search passes through devices called hub, switch, router before reaching its destination? And if you understand these three devices, you have already mastered one of the most important interview topics in computer networks. Hello everyone, and welcome back to She Codes. This is day 4 of our 100 days computer network challenge. In day 1, we learned the basics of computer networks, and today we are diving into the heart of networking devices that are hub, switch, router. Let's begin with hub. A hub is a basic networking device used to connect multiple devices within a network. It works at a physical layer 1 of the OSI model. So, simplest networking device. Imagine you are in a classroom and a teacher announces something loudly. Every student hears the announcement. Even if it was intended for only one student, that's exactly how a hub works. Whenever a device sends data, the hub broadcasts it to every connected devices. This makes communication simple but inefficient because everyone receives the same data. As the number of devices increases, network performance decreases. That's why hubs are rarely used in modern networks. So, the working is hubs receives the data, hub broadcasts the data to all connected devices. Every device receives the data, only the intended receiver accepts it. For example, suppose there are 5 computers connected to a hub. If a computer sends a message to computer B, then also computer C, D, E receives it. Advantages means simple design, easy installation, low cost, and disadvantages wastes bandwidth, low security, more network collisions, slower communication. And coming to real life analogy, imagine a teacher announcing marks in a classroom loudly. And the importance hubs were widely used in early networks but are rarely used in today's because they are inefficient. And now let's move to switch concept. Think about a courier service. That means the courier does not visit every house on the street. A switch works in the same way. Every device has a unique MAC address. The switch reads the destination MAC address and forwards the data only to the intended device. This improves speed, reduces collisions, and increases security. That's why schools, offices, banks, and companies use switches extensively. Now let's discuss about working of switch. Switch reads the destination MAC address, finds the correct device, sends data only to the device. For example, computer A sends data to computer B. The switch forwards data only to computer B. The computers never receive that data. For advantages, high speed, better security, reduced collisions, efficient bandwidth uses. Disadvantages are more expensive than hub, requires configuration in large networks. And importance, switches are used almost everywhere today: schools, colleges, offices, banks, data centers, and so on. And now let's discuss router. A router is a networking device that connects different networks together. It works at the network layer 3 of the OSI model. The working principle is router checks a destination if IP address destination IP address, finds the best path, sends data towards the destination network. For example, when you open YouTube, your device sends a request. Router forwards that request to the internet. The internet sends data back through the router. Advantages: connects networks, internet access, better security, traffic management. For example, Think of a traffic police officer directing vehicles to different cities. The router directs data packets to the different networks. Without routers, no internet, no cloud computing, no online banking, no social media. Routers make global communication possible. Easy memory trick. We need to memorize these concepts. Hub means shouts to everyone. If you remember this sentence, shouts to everyone, then that means hub. And a switch talks to the correct person, that means switch. Router finds the correct route, that means router. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to She Codes. Also comment day 4 completed so I know you are learning with me. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you tomorrow in day 5 of our 100 days computer networks challenge.